The Great Barrier Reef, a name that conjures images of vibrant coral, darting fish, and the vastness of the ocean. It is a world teeming with life, a kaleidoscope of colors and a symphony of sounds. From the smallest plankton to the largest whale shark, the reef is home to an incredible diversity of marine life. Coral reefs, the cities of the sea, provide shelter and food for countless creatures. Fish, big and small, flit in and out of the coral branches. Sharks patrol the outer edges, their sleek bodies gliding through the water. Turtles, ancient mariners, graze on seagrass meadows, their movements slow and deliberate. Above them, whales breach the surface, their immense size a testament to the ocean's bounty. The Great Barrier Reef is a precious ecosystem, a treasure trove of biodiversity, and a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things.
Follow Nemo, a young clownfish, and Marlin, his overprotective father, as they navigate the wonders and perils of the reef.
Their journey takes them through dense kelp forests, across vast open ocean, and into the heart of a jellyfish bloom. Danger lurks around every corner. Sharks with their rows of sharp teeth pose a constant threat. Barracudas, lightning-fast predators, lie in wait, ready to ambush their prey.
Yet the reef is also a place of great beauty and wonder. They encounter gentle giants like manta rays, their wingspans wider than a car. Schools of shimmering fish, 1,000 strong, move in perfect unison.
Through it all, Nemo and Marlin's bond deepens, proving that love and determination can overcome even the most daunting challenges.
The Great Barrier Reef, this underwater paradise, faces growing threats. Climate change, with its rising sea temperatures, causes coral bleaching, turning vibrant reefs into ghostly white skeletons. Pollution from human activities, like plastic waste and chemical runoff, chokes the delicate coral polyps and disrupts the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Overfishing disrupts the food chain, leaving some species struggling to survive. It is a stark reminder that the fate of the reef is intertwined with our own. But there is hope. Scientists, conservationists, and everyday people are working tirelessly to protect this natural wonder. Marine parks and protected areas offer a sanctuary for marine life. Sustainable fishing practices help to restore balance.
The journey through the Great Barrier Reef highlights the beauty and fragility of our oceans. It reminds us that we are all connected to this vast ecosystem. The ocean provides us with oxygen, regulates our climate, and sustains a wealth of life. Protecting it is not just an option, but a necessity.
We can all make a difference. Reduce your carbon footprint, say no to single-use plastics, and support sustainable seafood choices. Educate yourself and others about the importance of ocean conservation.
The future of the Great Barrier Reef, and indeed all our oceans, lies in our hands. Let us act now to ensure that this underwater wonderland continues to thrive for generations to come.